This is an important weather statement for the following counties in Michigan, Lenawee and Monroe. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a wind chill warning, which is in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 4 p.m. Thursday. The wind chill advisory is no longer in effect. Hazardous weather, cold temperatures, and the gusty winds accompanying an Arctic air mass will result in dangerous wind chills. Wind chills of 20 to 30 below zero are expected from 4 a.m. to noon Thursday. Wind chills will be minus 15 or colder from 7 p.m. tonight until 4 p.m. Thursday. Impacts: increased risk of frostbite and hypothermia if precautions are not taken. A wind chill warning means the combination of very cold air and strong winds will create dangerously low wind chill values. This will result in frostbite and lead to hypothermia or death if precautions are not taken. Prepare, plan, and stay informed. Visit http://go.usa.gov/r8. Here is the forecast.